Gutom na.
It is with deep pride that I welcome you all to the 126th Philippine Independence Day celebration of the Republic of the Philippines. With this year's national theme, Freedom, Future, History, or Kalayaan, Kinabukasan, Kasaysayan. Freedom or kalayaan is the byproduct of what our heroes fought hard for. Independence Day in Filipino language literally translates to Araw ng Masalutan. Today, we have independence to enjoy our own culture, to claim and be proud of what is uniquely ours. Our own or sarili natin. We are here today and able to celebrate our independence as one because of the blood, sweat, and sacrifice of our forefathers. All for the love of our own, love of our country, Pilipinas. Ang liwanag ng kinabukasan ay nakasalalay sa bawat isa sa atin, sa ating pagbabantay at pag-aalaga sa ating pinakamasang kalayaan. The bright future is within the hands of each one of us in our vigilant watch for the safeguarding of the freedom that we possess as a nation. 126 years have passed since our forefathers, led by Emilio Aguinaldo, unfurled our flag for the first time to declare our independence and freedom. Let us always remember that we are bonded by the patriotic love that we have for our nation. And each time we see our raised flag, it is the pride of our race that we are holding up now. Wherever we may stand in the world, and all the duties that we perform, and all the connections that we forge or choose to hold, it is the flag of our nation that we uphold and that speaks loudly of the kind of people that we are. Let us continue to hold dear in our hearts that in unity we are stronger and we can reach farther. And all of the struggles of our forefathers they have fought hard for, we continue to carry for our beloved country. Today, we will proudly celebrate our uniqueness, our Filipino culture, through music, dance, and flavors. Let us enjoy each other's company and share the joy that we all have within us that is uniquely Filipino. Mabuhay tayo mga Pilipino! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Welcome to Kalayaan 2024, Kalayaan, Kinabukasan, Kasaysayan. Evaristo at maraming salamat po.
Thank you so